Happy New Year! So, check this out. I decided to team up with myself and buy you a guitar. It's a Gretsch. It's a Gretsch Starliner. It's a really great instrument. I'm actually, quite sad to let it go. But I think you will find a great home with you guys. So if you want to get it, it's very simple. All you need to do is follow this link where you'll be instructed to do a few things. Yeah, nothing crazy. But I guess you get extra entries for pre-saving my album. Ta-da! This is the album. It's coming out January 12th and I'm very excited for it. And then also, if you're in New York, drop the pic. If you are in New York, please come to the release show, which is January 19th at New Blue. I'll be very excited to share the music live. Live. And lastly, if you want to get even more entries, you can follow this channel, the YouTube channel, and Instagram, and you get extra entries. And the raffle will be in about 2 weeks, so we'll know who's the winner of the guitar. Kind of fun. Oh, please be aware of scams. So I'm not gonna ask you any money at all. So nothing for delivery, nothing of that nature. So I will give you the guitar and you'll be happy, and that's it. So please be aware, please don't give anybody money, and that's it. Agreed, okay.